Paneer with corn.
Paneer with corn.
Roti.
Okay. So you had paneer and corn, correct?
No, paneer and roti.
Paneer and roti. Okay. So I would say that your plate had paneer and roti, correct? Okay. So together it made your lunch, correct?
Uh,
Okay.
yes.
Tanishka, what did you have for lunch today? What all was there on your plate? Tanishka, I can't hear you. Tanishka, your audio, no. Your phone audio is not open, I guess. Your phone audio is not open, I guess. You can hear me, right? You can hear me, Tanishka? I can't hear you. Can you start talking? No, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. That thing that you've connected to your phone, just plug it in a little more. जिस चीज को फोन में कनेक्ट किया है, that wire, just plug it in a little more. Maybe it's a loose connection. Yes,
No.
now I can hear you. So describe to me what all was there on your plate.
Dal rice.
Dal and
And
rice. Okay.
that in Marathi, that sabji or kandiachi path, like that only.
Kandiachi
I
Path.
eat it.
Wow, I like that. Cool. Okay. So let's go to Subhan. Subhan, what all were there on your lunch plate today?
In my lunch plate, there was rajma and chawal.
अरे वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है. राजमा एंड चावल, सब लोग साथ में बैठ के खा रहे होते तो we could have shared all these things, right? Oh wow, yummy. Okay.
Now I eat. Now
And
I eat.
what all was there in your lunch plate today?
I had chips, I had salad like pyaj and kheera, and I had chawal and korm. That's my
Korm.
favorite.
What is that? How is that made?
That is something similar to sambar.
It's something similar to sambar. Okay.
Yeah, but there's no vegetables in it. It's
Okay.
plain and only kadi patta and black chana is used.
Okay. All right.
But it's
So,
very yummy. It's my favorite. It's my favorite.
okay. So, all of us had a variety of things in our plate, right? Okay. Now I am going to show you a picture and you are going to explain to me one by one what all variety of things are there in that picture. Okay. Are we ready? Okay. So I'm going to share my screen and you guys are going to explain to me what all can you see in the picture. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Just give me a moment. I am getting there. I got it. There, I got it. Okay. Now I'm going to show you one picture. Okay. And whoever can see it. You all can see it now? Can see it now? Yeah? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, cool. So Vihan, you tell me what all can you see in this picture?
A banana
A banana.
and red and green apples.
Okay. Ranveer, I'll give you your turn to explain to me what all can you see in the picture.
There is a place in which there are bananas, in which there are oranges and red and green apples.
Okay, cool. Subhan, your turn. What all can you see in this picture?
Ma'am, I can see banana, orange, green apple, red apple, and one swing, three swings, and one basket.
Okay, you can see a basket as well. Okay. I am going to say this is what I see. You agree to
Oh.
this?
Yes.
You all agree to this?
Thank you. Wait,
There are
wait.
4 bananas,
Yes.
5
Thank you.
oranges.
I see
Thank
4
you.
bananas, 5 oranges, 4 red apples, and 4 green apples. Actually, now I think I can see 5 red apples. I'm going to correct it right.
Yes, 5.
Right? I'm just going to correct it right away. I think it's going to be 5 red apples. 1 minute. Huh? Let me just correct it to 5 red apples. Okay? Agreed? Now, what did we basically do? What we did was, okay, everyone can hear me clearly? Okay. What we did was, we did an expanded form of something that is in front of us. So when we started the session, we were talking about what all was there on our lunch plate. वैसे lunch plate तो एक होता है, right? There's just one lunch plate. But look at the number of items that we have on the lunch plate. Vihan Saxena had paneer and roti, right? Now, if we go it on an expanded form, he can say he had 2 rotis and 4 spoons of paneer, right? Would that be an expanded form of what was there in his plate? Yeah. Now, Subhan said he had rajma and chawal. So, if I had to expand it further than just a lunch plate, I could say he had 2 spoons of chawal and 3 spoons of rajma, right? Okay, you understand what I'm trying to say? Now, that is basically what we are going to do in the expanded form. What are we going to do in the expanded form now? Is this. You're going to be given a number. You're simply going to expand it into tens, ones, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ready to play the game? Ready to play the game? Vihan Saxena, you go first. Okay. So, Vihan, we have this first 1 minute. The screen will come up. Wait, I think Tanishka has also joined in. Okay. Now, Vihan, we have this number which says 29. Okay. I have written it as 9 ones and 2 tens. Now I'm going to give you the next number, that is 789. Okay. It is going to be written as 9 ones, 8 tens, and 7 hundreds. Yeah. Then we have a number which is 6,432, which will be written as 2 ones, 3 tens, 4 hundreds, and 6 thousands. Agreed? Now, Vihan, it is your turn. What is this next number that you see here?
10,000, 2,000, 300, 4 tens, 5 ones.
Cool, you're super fast. I'm going to write it right away. 1 10,000. So I will write it as 1 into. Am I right? Yeah. Now what will come in thousands place? Correct?
2,000.
Is this right? Is this right? 2 into 1,000, that is 2,000. Yeah. Now what will come here? Go on, Vihan, you know this.
300.
300s. So that is 3 into 100. Okay. What will come in tens place? Are we right? Are we right? Correct?
Yes.
Okay. And what will come here?
5 ones.
Agreed?
Yes.
You understand, Vihan?
Yes.
Okay. Ranveer, your turn. You tell me, how will you expand this next one?
6 ones, 6 ones,
That is
5 tens,
into 1.
4 hundreds.
Let me write. 5 tens, 5 into 10. Okay, and then
How am I writing?
हाँ 100 में क्या आएगा?
400s.
400s, which is 4 into 100. Okay, that's 400s. Okay, what will come here?
3000s.
3 into 1000. Okay, and here
2 10,000s.
2 10,000s.
Cool.
2 into, agreed? So this becomes 2 into 10,000 is 20,000, 3 into 1,000 is 3,000, 4 into 100 is 400, 5 into 10 is 50, 6 into 1 is 6. So that's why we read it as 23,456. Agreed? Agreed? Didn't
Yes.
understand? Understood. Okay. Subhan, how will you go about the next sum?
Ma'am, which?
This number. How will you go about this number?
4 1, ma'am. 4 tens.
4 tens.
Yes.
Will I just randomly start somewhere in the middle of the number, or would I choose to start from the right or from the left?
Ma'am, you will start from E.
Tell me, how will you expand this number?
Ma'am, 4 10,000. 4 multiplied by
For
10,000.
10,000s. Okay, 4 10,000s. So that is 4 into 10,000. Okay. Then,
Then 5,000.
okay, that is 5 into 1,000.
5 into 1,000.
Okay. Then
400.
how much?
400.
400.
400. No, ma'am. 600.
600s. Okay, that is
Mul-
6 into
mu-
100.
6. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
7 tens.
Okay, 7 tens, that is 7 into 10.
Into 70.
And last one,
Ma'am, 8 ones.
8 ones. So that is 8
Yes,
into
8
1.
ones.
Okay, so now do you all see this last sum here? 98,183.
Yes.
Write it down in the math section of your notebook and give me the expanded form. 98,183. Write it down in the math section and give me the expanded form. Yes, Ranveer?
Ma'am, can you show it again?
I will just tell the number to you. 98,183. 98,183. The number is 98,183. You have to give it to me in the expanded form. Yes?
Do we have to write it in the words?
Yes, you have to write it in the expanded form in words and in numbers, the way I showed it to you. And then once you're done, show it to me on the camera. I'll just repeat in case you all have forgotten. The number is 98,183. Yes, Vihan, you're done?
Yes.
Can you show it to me on the camera? Show me where you have done it. Show me the place where you have
Yeah.
solved it.
In my book. In my book.
Show me what you have solved. Turn it around and show it to me what you have solved. Vihan, open the book and show me what you have solved. Yes, open the book. Yes. Now show me. How will I understand when you're showing it to me like this? It's ulta. हाँ, सीधा करो. थोड़ा और पास लेके आओ. थोड़ा पास लेके आओ. Very good. 1 minute. Hold it there. I want you to write it in words, Vihan. The way I just showed it. The number is 98,183. You have to write it in the expanded form, which is 9 10,000s, 8 1,000,
1,000.
100s. पूरा explain करके लिख के दो.
Okay. Nine thousand, right? 19,000, 8,183.
Have you written it in the expanded form? Have you written it as 9?
Expanded form.
Have you written it? Then show it to me. I don't write the number. You have to write it in the expanded form the way I showed you.
I wrote a number. Oh.
Yes, we can't see how the boys have done it. Okay. Show me. थोड़ा और पास लेके आओ विहान. Keep it a little up. I cannot see what you've written. Oh. 9 10,000. Ranveer, thoda sa shift it to your left. Yes. Wait. Hold it there. 8 10s, 3 1s. Okay, Ranveer, yours is correct. Subhan, show me your image. Subhan, where are you? Subhan, show me what you have written in your book. Subhan. Subhan, show me what you've written in your book. Were you able to write in your book, Subhan?
Ma'am, I have written history homework and I was learning history, so I have not written about math.
Subhan, I just now gave a number and asked you to write it in the expanded form. Have you done that? Subhan, I just now gave a number and asked you to write it in the expanded form. Have you done that?
Ma'am, my book is left in parking. I can bring.
Subhan, why are you not having your book handy, baby? You must keep your book with you when you're in class.
Ma'am, because
Right or not? The book should be next to you.
ma'am, light is gone in our house. There is inverter, so I have came here.
Okay, but where is your book?
Ma'am, in parking.
Okay, fine. All right, we'll leave it at that. Subhan, quickly go and get a book and keep it with you right now. Subhan, go get your notebook and keep it with you for the class. We need to do something. Okay, I'm going to give the rest of the kids another number. Okay, others, write down the next number. 10,000 is the next number. You all know how to write 10,000? Yeah. So write 10,000 in the expanded form. Yes.
Ma'am, should we start?
Yeah. Complete it. Write 10,000 in the expanded form. I'm just checking something on the textbook. So unless you call me, I won't be able to see it. So if I'm looking at the screen, don't think I'm looking at you. Okay. Have you done it? Okay, let me see. 10. No, that is not how you would do it, Vihan. You need to write 1,000s, 0,000s, 0,100s, 0,10s, and 0,1s. You have to write it that way in the expanded form. What you've written is not correct, Vihan. Vihan, flip the book. Write it the way I'm telling you. Vihan, open the book.
Yum, yum, yum.
Write 10,000 in the expanded form. Guys, go a little faster.
0, 100, 0, 1. I see it.
Vihan, shift it a bit. I cannot see it. Bring it. Keep it right in front of your face. Because where your face is, that's where the perfect connection. Thoda piche leke jao. Keep it in front of your face. Oh, open it, Vihan. Let me read it. Vihan, then open your book. Let me read it. Why are you doing this, Vihan?
I don't know because this is.
Vihan, keep the book up and hold it straight. I know you can do it. Keep the book up. Is that where I can see it? No. Vihan, keep it where I can see it. Perfect. Hold it there now. Vihan, do you want me to check your book? Yes. Okay, that's right. Okay, Ranveer, bring it closer. Let me see your book. Okay, Ranveer, you're correct. Subhan, show me your book. Subhan, show me what you have solved. Subhan, show me what you have solved. Show me the book.
Ma'am, I've gone offline, so I am not here how to write.
Subhan, you have to write the sum in expanded form. Do you remember this? I just showed you some time back. Do you
Yes,
remember this?
yes.
Yeah, I showed you how to expand it. 23,456. I showed you 2,000s, 3,000, 2 10,000s, 3 1,000s, 4 hundreds, 5 tens, and 6 ones. I showed this to you in an expanded form. Do you remember this?
Yes.
You just have to do the same thing in the book for the number 10,000. Can you do it?
Ma'am, we can write like 10,000 plus 10,000 plus 1 plus 1,000. Sorry,
No.
1,000.
You are supposed to write it the way we did it some time back. How have I written this here? How have I written this number here? Do you see this?
Not 1,000,
Subhan,
then multiply by
Subhan, listen to me. I need you to write it the way it is written here. Write it like this. Write it the way it is written here. If the number is 2346, then you have to write it as 2000s plus 300s plus 40 plus 6. I want you to write it in the expanded form. So now the number is 10,000 and you're going to write the expanded form of 10,000. Okay. So while the others are waiting, your next number is 46,231. 46231 is your next number. All of you, next number is 46231. Quickly do it in the expanded format and show me. 46231 is your next number. 46231.
Ma'am, my done.
Sorry, what?
Ma'am, I have written
For which number?
46231.
Okay, then show it to me in front of the camera.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't see it clearly. Are you writing with pen or pencil?
Pencil.
Why? Where is your pen? I can't see it clearly because you written it in pencil. It's too light. Okay, read it out to me. What have you done?
It is 4 lakhs. Then 4 multiplied by 1 lakh equals to 4 lakh.
How is it 4 lakhs when the number is 46231? Is it 4 lakhs? The number is 46231. How is it 4 lakhs?
Ma'am, 10,000.
So how will you write it, Subhan?
Ma'am, because ma'am, 4 10,000. 4 multiplied by 10,000.
Next number, next digit. Subhan, can you hear me?